everybody, I just wanted to bring you back, show you some of the functionalities of the IGLA system for anti-theft on Mopars and other vehicles. So we just had an IGLA installed on this. I am an authorized IGLA installer now. So this is the first of the first in the shop, and hopefully we'll be getting this offering out to the masses soon. We'd love to have you have an IGLA installed. This car was stolen. Not happy about that. Fortunately, it was literally crashed right around the corner from my house because they had no idea what they were stealing. So now it's pretty much unstealable, which is great. So I just want to go into some of the functionalities of the IGLA system. Like I said, this one is installed with an IGLA, and it has the premium package installed on top of it. So what that means is that in a traditional IGLA system, here, let me turn this off. So in a traditional IGLA install, you start the car or remote start. And when you get in the vehicle, you put in your PIN code, which is a combination of some of these different keys on the steering wheel. So I just want to show you that, you know, the car has been just unlocked as normal. Key code is not in. And I have the premium package, which is engine, not inhibit, but engine shut off. So what that means is that without the key code, that when a thief goes to put this into gear, the car is going to stall and it is going to stop. So just to demonstrate that for you guys right now, let's go start this up. Cool. So no key code was put in. All right. Put this into drive and you'll see the car will stall. There you go. See? Just like that. So a thief will not be able to put this car into drive to take it out of your, driveway or wherever you have it stored. So what I want to do is let me reset the car and I'll bring you guys right back. So I've reset the vehicle. I just opened the door, turned the key off, closed the door, put the key back in, and to key on, engine off. And so what I just want to show you is that there's two opportunities to put your PIN in. So there's one initially before you start the car, or there's one where you do it while the car is starting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the operation prior to putting the PIN in. So as you can see on the screen, it's just gone through its initialization cycle. So on the steering wheel, you'll put in your key code, which is fully customizable, and you'll see how the hazards had flashed twice. So that means the PIN code was accepted successfully, which means you'll be able to start the car no problem at this point and put it into drive. So you can see it started just now, no problem. Put it into drive, and we are good to go. See? Now, there's another opportunity for you to put your key code in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the car off. So the car is off right now. And then, so let's say you have remote start going, or you're already in the vehicle. So you could start the car as normal. And before you go to put it into gear, same thing, just put in your key code on the steering wheel, and you'll see the hazards blink twice. So now the car can be put into gear without stalling. See? There you go. So I hope you like what you see. If you need an IGLA installed, definitely hit me up. I am going to be adding this to the website. We have a couple of different levels of packages depending on what you want installed. And we look forward to helping you thwart car thieves all over the country. This is exciting. We're very happy to be offering and partnering with IGLA over this. So yeah, man, this thing is very, very cool.